Hello, my lovely people. Good evening. How you all doing? It's your girl Monica Lobolobo, aka Shine Your Shine. Hope everyone is shining their shine. They are, but always shine your shine, no. Because if you not shine your shine, nobody go shine out for you. God bless you all, my lovely people. As una always till they come back, they support my channel, they support me in every area. God will bless una. Before I enter this topic where I want to talk, so where they call show. Now this topic where I want to talk, so now be show everything, show pants, show slipper, show lipstick, show eyebrow, show anything showable. But before then, make I quickly announce to una. My lovely people, God has been so faithful. God has been so good to me on all of una wey dey since since this year, where I get a lot of challenges on social media, on friendship, relationship. A whole lot of things happen for my social media life since February, and many of una took it upon una self to make sure say una stand by me. Many of una dey call me, dey check on me. I can't use through that challenging time. I can also meet a lot of una. We can be friends. People like my director, people like my boss lady, people like my lady J, people like Mohamed Adiza, a whole lot of people, even my beautiful ebony sister, Ivy. I can't enjoy her the more. I not be no say she love me so much and she care for me so much. In short, she's a darling in my life, and I appreciate every one of you. We are not fit mention their name, especially my darling love, my back to sender, my Miss Sugar, and many more. My Zion daughter, how can I forget you now? May God bless every one of you. I don't know, I cannot mention names, but these few I just mention. Not me say the rest of them are not special, especially my GPC people. Oh, God will continue to bless you all wherever you are, whoever you are. God will bless you all in Jesus' name. Una really stand by me, una stay with me, una make sure say Monica will be fine, because maybe God give una eye to take see wetin dey go on. So this was not ordinary. I just sit down my own suddenly. Things just start to dey unveil from nowhere. We no quarrel, I no do anything, I no get offense until today, my lovely people. But all the same, some people notice that time, while some no notice because of a trade wey they get for me. Meanwhile, my kind of work, e dey make me dey get many enemy, because my kind of work na to tell people the truth. Na so I be. You still see now sometimes even the people wey dey wish me bad, I no still fit stay. When I go see say that they go fire or wetin dem dey do e no good, I go still bring topic come out, hoping say they go hear, make dem take change. Because if me no do am, Baba God no dey let me get peace. Because na wetin me put myself, wetin me agree say Baba, this type of thing I go fit do, and Baba God come strengthen me. And me myself don wash myself right from time. I sabi chook mouth for something wey I know say e go help human being. Me, I get heart for humankind, to help them, to show them way. Small one wey me still know I dey like to share. So e come be like say my work come make me dey get enemy, because na so wey my work be, to dey chook mouth for wetin no concern you. My work go come make me dey be like say na people matter na e owe me, because actually my work na people matter. But the truth of the matter be say, my lovely fans, e no dey owe me for his house. As you see me so, people matter no dey owe me for his house, because for inside my own life, for inside my house, no be people matter we take dey live, okay? But for social media, people matter na my work. So because of that, some people wey no quick understand my kind of work, they come dey hate me, say why person go just dey life, e go just carry people matter. They no know say people matter. E just still be like lawyer. Just that lawyer, he go school well for you. Me na, you know, na God power. Say wetin pikin get na take dey show. and the mouth wey God give me, and God come still give me sense right from small pikin. So as I can't get in mouth and I get sense wey I take dey see matter pass matter, na im make me come dey do this my lawyer work for social media, wey dey go make me dey chook my mouth for people marriage, chook my mouth for people affair, chook my mouth for people business. That's why many people they hate me. I don't blame them. I love all of una, and I love those who understand my work and will stand by me. God go bless una. Until the battle is over, we no go drop our weapon, my people, because many people say if person where they worry us never give up or make they die, make we mash their grave, they not go ever mash our grave. Those way wish us shame and disgrace. Oh, I pray every night, every day now until they pray. Father, wait till they wish me. Let them continue to experience it in their life. Back to sender, because me, I cover myself with the special blood of Jesus. Nothing where evil person go fit do way go reach me, because you see me so, I dey ash well. But evil, I not get them. Nobody way good finish, or everybody get in for body. But not to one word the other make with the manager accept it important. So for the show matter we me want, so thank God say me be don't fair they tell una better things where they this abroad where people they go wrong. Otherwise, you see, now so una for do one day, if no be say una quick start to the listing to me those way really the listing and where they use until they work. I tell you, even if you never reach 10 years for this abroad, or to go reach that 22 years, before you go reach there, now better things, now you go bring come and come show. You see, you see the reason why me, I chook leg. I don't know why who they teach you now, where they tell you now say, so they walk when you dey husband house, say the man na suffer head man, or na the man no rich, na him make you they go work. Me, I don't fit tell you now say, married woman wey no dey work for inside a marriage, that marriage, hey, many jabba go dey inside. You understand? Sorry, my people. You understand? So e no go good. Even for Oyibo marriage sef, wey be say Oyibo go school where in dey work for better company. The wife also sometimes go be doctor, it go be lawyer. Do you know two of them they go still they work? Their children go reach 15 years, they don't still put them for part-time whatever, because they know what it means to be hardworking in life. If you see this abroad where we dey so, now hardworking men and women na im build am. Many offices where you dey go, you dey see there, not be Oyibo women. So I no understand why we black we come from suffer country come here, we go come see small pasta they eat, bread, Fanta they eat. We go come tell ourselves say for woman to go work na let down, for woman where they paint nails, for woman where they bleach, for woman where they use real estate they paint mat. Say if woman just wake up in the morning make it not they do anything. Me Monica Lobo, if you they watch my channel and you they expect such things, may you use and take big up, you not go see am, because you be as I be, so I they always tell now say now waiting me know road where me follow way good, where me know say now they take person to up where you go get your happiness later in your life. Let me go they share, let me go they discuss with you now. Me I never see any woman where sit down for us, where husband go buy Maggi give am, where husband go buy a television give am, husband go buy pencil give am, husband go buy makeup give am. Where they make headway. All those type of women, their husband no fit meet up, they themselves, their family go they suffer. Okay, their family, if they no take by themselves strong for hand more than excess, no help from anywhere. I know say it no good make family depend on us too much, but at the same time, we dey in this part of this world where we dey so, many of us go fit name many help where we don't do back home to our people. Person wey no dey work, you no fit help your people back home. You no go fit help your mother, you no go fit help your father. if something fall come coincidentally for una family, na shame and disgrace your papa and mama go pass through. Na there you dey see some people wey dey abroad, the papa and im mama still dey borrow money dey go for lapo, because pikin wey dey send abroad e no dey work. E tell himself say to work na shame and disgrace. Na there you go see brothers and sisters no even dey see help from them. E no also good at all. Not to talk of say that person go ever see money to take help another person. That na one thing wey I love about my Monica people. That one me take know say all of una dey hard working well, even pass me. Na una me dey watch wey make me dey struggle hard, because me I see many of una shop, una belleful, una family shop, e belleful. Now e make una dey feel help outsider. The truth of the matter be say person wey no dey work na poor person. E poor for mind, e poor for e life, e poor for sight. You know say to be rich no be only people wey get cash, money for hand or for bank. Na it be wealth. Okay? Wealth na when you feel figure and see your future or plan it how you want am to be. God go help you with the rest finish. Okay? Wealth na when you feel wake up in the morning to go struggle for yourself. Free money, e no be life. If you dey situation when you dey collect free money, make sure say you are working hard to leave that situation. And again, that's why me tell una say make una dey work hard, whether you be married woman or you be single woman or you be young girl, e no matter. Make you dey work hard. No matter the money wey oyibo people dey receive, many of their wives still dey work, except say those one wey dey still get plan wey dey get for life. I get one of my girlfriend wey be say e husband get money well, she no dey work. But do you know wetin be her work? E go be like say she dey house every day. No, she herself get a lot of share wey she dey take care of. You see, every day she go dey look her account, money wey enter. You see, she actually no dey comot for her. She use money take buy money wey dey give her money. Na that one na me dey cause sense. But where e be say you lazy finish, you no dey work, and you no really see any reason to take work for yourself, for your papa, for your mama, for your husband, for your children, even for yourself. Na it be say you are not only poor by cash, you are poor in mind, you are poor in spirit, you are poor in sight. No be say you get anything wey dey bring money come for you, you no get for home wey dey bring money come for you, you no get for abroad here wey dey bring money come for you. Even the husband sef wey person dey raise body for, na normal salary receiver man, no be man wey go special school. Na just man wey need to do extra hour to take make extra money. E no good. So my lovely people, my message tonight for people wey dey watch me, abeg no become a lazy person by making shakara. To make shakara, correct shakara people na people wey dey work. After you don work, you go come chop, because na so wey Bible command us. Bible say he wey no dey work make e not chop. E say he wey dey work make you chop well, make you make shakara, make you blow your trumpet, make you raise your shoulder. But you see, you wey no dey work, wey dey make shakara, you are dying gradually and you dey kill everybody wey dey around you. They no go fit reach where they supposed to reach, because oyibo people say what is not enough for one is starvation for two. You understand? So, and whereby you dey lazy, you no really work better, you no go dey work make you take help yourself. Now there you go come dey show irrelevant things. ordinary Vaseline wey dem dey buy for 7, e go fit be big thing for you. When you no dey work, you no dey make your own money, if person even buy eye brand give you, na big thing for you. You go feel like make the whole world see am, because to you na big thing, because you don already set your mind to dey receive free thing from everybody. Even hair cream wey dem dey put for head, even anything wey dey for house, if you even buy ordinary rubber bag wey dem take dey bring food stuff come back from supermarket, I know one person wey no dey work. Anywhere wey you for see fine rubber bag wey you take buy something come for market, she go pick am. You go say you no use am again, you go say no. E go pick am. Wetin you dey use am do? You go say the rubber bag fine, I wan send am go home. Na so wey your life go be. If you no dey work, na rubber bag you go fit dey send home to your family make dem take dey go market. You understand? Where your mate go dey help your family, help their family in a better and bigger way. Because you no dey work, your mind no dey work, na irrelevant things na im go dey big for am. Imagine person wey no dey work, that's why the person go fit send shopping rubber bag, like all this type of Adi bag like this. E go fold am, e go carry plenty one go give e family for house, say make dem dey use abroad rubber bag take dey go market. You see, very something wey no make sense, e dey make sense a lot to all these people wey no dey work. As you dey look me so, what are you still waiting for? Quick run, make you go work. You go work no mean say na your husband you wan give the money to, or na you come dey carry una house dey go. A lot of things wey una go do wey you never before do before. If you no dey work, lot of things dey your life wey you no dey fit do, but you just dey bear, you go come dey cover up. Na when person no dey work, really get money wey be money, na im makeup go really be achievement for am. E go say anywhere wey I go, I carry my makeup bag. If I just make up, so far I fair, life don finish. Now when you no dey work, na all this type of thing dey be big deal for you, because you want make your skin dey shine, make people for no know say hand dey meet you. You go make up well make people for no know say hand dey meet you. But actually, if you dey work, there is a way wey happiness go dey in you. You no need makeup to take dey happy, you no need cover up to take dey happy. Even when you no even show am, no mean say e no dey your life. You wey really get the thing, you no go even get time to take show am. But if na make up na you get, you no dey work, na person dey give you, you go any little thing wey you fit achieve, you go wan show am to the world. E no too good. My brothers and my sister wey dey watch me so, no matter the status wey you dey hold, try to dey do something. If you cannot work, go do business. If you cannot do business, try to do something wey you know say you sabi do. And also show things. My people, I no dey against am at all, but abeg make we try to dey show things wey go encourage and motivate other people wey dey behind us. If people wey dey behind us dey see us dey show irrelevant things at the age of 32 years in abroad, e go dey discouraging for them. They themselves no go wan try hard. That's why me, Monica Lobolobo, always dey tell my follower wey I dey teach una real investment and how to do things either for home or for here. Me, my Monica, I no dey against you having mansion back home, but I always dey try to say, my sister, my brother, you don do something here first. Because if you do something here first, to get mansion for Africa na small thing na e go be for you, because na here you go live more, and na here your children go dey. Nothing bad in leaving inheritance for children for here. Many of us go say, where did I start from for here? Anybody no help me, shebi I still make am. But no, Benin people dey talk say, use no serve ege so we. Make we no come dey plan our children life the way our own take start. Make we try to give our children life that today climb small, so that to hold on to up, e go dey much easier for them. Thank you, my brothers and my sisters. Now this small advice now I get for people wey wan do show And you wey wan copy the life of chocho, the life of chocho na people wey no dey work na im chocho dey interest, because Benin people say drum wey full e no dey make noise. You understand? So thank you all so much. Me, I be working class woman right from time. I love to make my own money because I know say e get a whole lot of help wey dey do for marriage. No be all marriage wey dey for the kiss for outside na im be marriage for inside house. Many marriage wey we don see, many marriages wey we don see for this social media, even among the celebrities, una know na e come up pass for this social media. Na we for see Sister Toto Dike when e dey say Mr. S abi na Mr. whatever, Mr. S, Mr. S, hey my Mr. S this, my Mr. S that, that thing they almost use and take frustrate some of our young artists wey they were looking for Mr. S also, who be Mr. S. Everybody want friend Mr. S, no knowing say na suffering and smiling. My people, me, I no go fit talk everything finish because I get people wey love me, they no dey like me, I dey talk too much. My people, the only one wey me go fit tell una be say make una no forget say not all that glitters are gold. If I tell una say some people sabi pretend, in short, where they for learn am, only God in heaven na him know. Me myself, I no know where they for learn am. So as we don first see am say Toto Dike pretend well for Mr. S, something wey she buy for herself, she go say na Mr. S buy am for am. But the time wey e come settle call, the time wey e come settle call, my people, make we no dey do like that. Na so wey still be for Mona Lisa Chida. The time wey he dey with him baby papa, he make her understand say Richard na big guy wey dey do personal business, wey do this, say na him rent the house wey they rent that time when she get belle. But when he said to call, we can't hear say nothing. Few now just mention so many day wey dey happen. Even Yvonne Jegede that day, the time wey they follow that baby husband wey they don't divorce now so they tell people say it's very good to deal with true life, true your true love, that love where you get right from small pikin na sweet pie. Say your husband dey sweet sound like honey pie. My people, the day wey e set, shebi e start to dey confess how e take dey yam, how e take dey help, how e take dey down. So we come dey wonder all those studio picture, all those kiss, all those social media love, all those this wetin e come do. But if you dey wait make some people cry out like Toto Dike, you go wait, you go turn to gray hair. You no need to wait, my sister. All you need to do be say make you go dey look for how to show the real things of life. Okay, my lovely people, to show things, I am not against it, because for this life all fingers are not equal. Some people must behave like this, some must behave like this, some must behave like this, and some must behave like this. But during this time where all these things they go on, so not let them catch you mugo. Make you face your life. Now only there na gain dey. Make you face your business. Now only gain na there dey. Like all of una wey they always say, Monica, mind your business, and me, I sabi mind my business well. That's why I dey gain the gain with this social media, because na social media I dey chook mouth inside matter wey no concern me. Na there na be my business. Una do well for this small video wey I bring come to take encourage my people. Say if you want do show, make sure say you go show better thing. Person like me, I no sabi do show, but anytime they push me to take show, I must make sure say I show better thing wey go inspire you to do something great. Love you all so much from Monica Lobolobo Studio. See you all. Bye bye.